Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean large datasets in Google Sheets step by step. If you're working with messy data, duplicates, empty rows, or inconsistent formatting, this will help you turn it into clean, usable data for analysis. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets file that contains your large dataset. Take a moment to scroll through it so you can see common issues like duplicate entries, empty rows, extra spaces, or inconsistent formatting. Now, the first thing we are going to do is remove duplicates. Select your entire dataset by clicking anywhere inside the table, then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. Next, go to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down, select Data Cleanup, then click Remove Duplicates. A window will appear showing your columns. Make sure all relevant columns are selected, then click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will instantly clean duplicate rows for you. Next, let's remove blank rows. Scroll through your dataset and look for empty rows. A quick method is to apply a filter. Click Data, then select Create a Filter. Now click the filter icon on any column and uncheck blanks. This helps you quickly identify and remove empty rows without manually searching. Now we move on to cleaning extra spaces. Select the column that contains text data, then use a simple formula in a new column, equals trim A2. This removes extra spaces at the beginning and end of text. Drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Once done, copy the cleaned column and use Paste Special, Values Only, to replace the original data. Next, let's fix missing values. You can quickly highlight missing data using conditional formatting. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting, then set a rule like Is Empty. This helps you visually see gaps in your dataset. Finally, once everything is clean, it's a good idea to create a backup. Click File, then Make a Copy so you always have the original data saved. And that's it. Your large dataset is now clean, structured, and ready for analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and data cleaning tutorials. See you in the next video.